All right, welcome back to my channel. This is Efoko Joseph once again. I'm your anchor man at the Free Genuine Airdrops. In this video, I will be teaching you how to use magnet, how to put magnet on your WhatsApp status update. If you have been facing challenges and if you do not know exactly how to put your magnet on your status so that people can know about the program, this is the simplest way to do it. Let me just teach you. Okay, now assume you want to tell people about magnet and you do not know how to place it on your update. You just come to this place on your normal WhatsApp or on your WhatsApp business. You come to update and click it. Okay, so we click the update and then you click your here my status. Okay, so now you see that there are pictures that are showing here. Try to scroll to see if you can see the picture you want to use. Now in this case, the picture we want to use is not available here. It means that we have to search for it. So what we now do is to click on this particular place and open it. All right, now that you have opened that same place, we go ahead to our gallery. Okay, so click on the gallery and begin to search for the particular album or any other that is housing the picture you want to use. You can see camera, you can see all media, all videos, and so on. So we're going to be scrolling on this thing. The image I want to use is in one of those screenshots. So we'll just go to where we have our screenshot. Okay, you can see it here. You can see our screenshot here. So let's open that album. All right, this is our image. This is our image. Okay, so we'll click on it. Okay, so now that we have clicked on it, we will now give it a caption here. Sorry, we'll give it a caption there. Okay, so how do we give it a caption? We already have something I kept somewhere. We'll just open it and copy it so that it won't waste so much of our time. So let's go there. Our caption is magnet is real money. So let's just copy that. Okay, copy. And then we return back to that place and paste the caption there. Paste. And then we click the send button. Sorry. We click the send button. Okay. Now that we have done that, we still need to continue because we are not yet through with our job. So the next thing is to click on this pencil here. Okay, click it. Sorry, let's move this out of that place. All right. You see we have a new page. So in that new page, either we use this color that is available or we change the color by clicking here. So let's see if we can change the color. You see the color has changed. We click another color. So we have blue now. So let's use this blue. So what we need to paste in the area of the blue, we'll go back to that same things that I copied down and pick the next words. Do you really want to change your financial life? Magnet is the solution you need. So let's copy only from that place also and stop at here. Okay, we'll take it back and paste it. So we'll just paste it here. Okay, and click the send button also. Then we'll come back again and still click on our pencil. Remember that we are still working. We have not completed. So we'll click on this pencil again. And here we have another color. So we'll go back to where we pasted our words and pick the next sentence. With over 20 digital products to earn passive income from, Magnet is the bomb. So click from there. Yes. Copy this one and go back and paste it here again. Good. All right. The next thing is we now see join Magnet here. DM me for whatever. So join Magnet here. We'll copy that. We'll go back to our place and click our pencil again. And then we can change the color if we want to. Okay. We'll paste it. Join Magnet here. DM me for info. So we want to put the Magnet referral code. How do we do that? Let's go to Magnet. So we're in Magnet and we need to copy our referral code. So we have to come to this place where we have friends. Click it open. All right. Now that we are here, you can just copy this. So now that we are here, yes, you click here and copy. Okay, you copy, you will see a long list of information that you need to. So let's copy it so that you know what to also do in this regard. Okay. Now let's go back to where we were copying our words from. Now the next thing we would have copied is the referral code. So, but because I want to show you what to do here, I will just remove everything here and paste what we copied from Magnet into this place. You can see that what we have is long. Boost your crypto Magnet and participate in a massive airdrop order. So we can remove that. We don't need all that long this thing now. We only need the code. So we can remove this. And what is left is your referral code. So you just copy that referral code to take to that place and paste. You just cut it and take to where we said click. So we said click for more information or whatever to join. So we just paste that referral code there. So I don't find it difficult to paste. Okay. So you have the referral code there. So we can now click send. So we are done. If we want to add any other thing, we will still click the biro and then or the pen and add whatever we want to add to the next phase. Okay. So now that we have done everything, we can check our status if it is there. So we'll now come here now and click it. Okay. Okay. So you can see that we have 4 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, 1 minute ago, whatever. So we start by clicking the 4 minutes ago. Magnet is the real money. So the thing is scrolling down. Do you really want to change your financial life? Magnet is the solution you need. And then the next one says, with over 20 digital products to earn passive income from, Magnet is the bomb. And then finally, join Magnet here or DM me for more info. And you have your link. If you click on the links, it takes you, if you click on the link, it now says whether you want to open. So let's try to open and see whether it will take us to. Do you now see it is taking us to Telegram? So if you click the just once, it will open in Telegram. I don't want to open it already because I'm already there. So that is how you will do your Magnet. That is how you can do your status update if you want to. So all the people who are seeing it will click on your link. If they are interested, they will use it to register and join your magnet. So that is it. If you have not subscribe to this channel, just hit the subscribe button and make sure that you keep receiving our update whenever we publish new videos. If this video is helpful to you, like it and share it with your friends. Remember to also join our WhatsApp group where you'll be receiving daily info and tips. Thank you. God bless you. I see you in our next video.